वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. The God of new beginnings, the remover of obstacles, and the eternal Dev of intellect, wisdom, and success. Lord Ganesh is one of the most worshipped deities in the Hindu pantheon. Although Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated with utmost delightment and enthusiasm all across India, yet Maharashtra is popularly known for the grand celebrations. Immensely majestic idols, the resonance of dhol and tashas, charming decorations, and the delicious modaks. All in all, the 10 days of our Ganpati Bappa are full of prosperity, enjoyment, and contentment. In Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai and Pune, the celebrations are even more splendid. Pune in particular is considered to be the birthplace of Ganesh festival in India, and the city has the first 5 Ganpati known as the 5 Manase Ganpati. So here's the first 5 Manase Ganpati from Pune. Shri Kasba Ganpati in Kasbapet, Pune is the first or Pahila Manasa Ganpati. Shri Kasba Ganpati was established by Ma Sahib Jizabai Bhosle herself, after an idol of Lord Ganesh was found near the house of Vinayak Thakur, who used to reside close to the residence of Ma Sahib Jizabai Bhosle. Ma Sahib perceived this as an auspicious moment and promptly built a temple, which is today known as the famous Shri Kasba Ganpati Mandir. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj started building the empire of Swarajya after this auspicious moment. Being the Pahila Manasa Ganpati, Shri Kasba Ganpati leads the Visarjan or immersion procession with great fanfare. A 2 minutes ride from the Kasba Ganpati at the Appa Barwan Chowk is our second or Dusra Manasa Ganpati, that is Sri Tamri Zogeshwari. Sri Tamri Zogeshwari Mandal has the honor of the second most prestigious Ganpati after Kasba Ganpati Mandal, as Tamri Zogeshwari is believed as Gram Devat or village deity of Pune. Sri Tamri Zogeshwari temple is one of the most oldest temples in the city, and the idol of the goddess is regarded as Swayambhu or a self-born idol. Just a few meters down the street is the Gurji Talim Ganpati Mandal, Manasa Tisra or the third most revered Ganpati in the city. The Mandal was started by 2 Hindu and 2 Muslim families. The families of Bhiku Pandurang Shinde and Vastad Nalban played an important role in establishing the Mandal. This Mandal was the first in the city to spread the message of communal harmony. In the crowded Tulsibagh market of Pune city, Shri Tulsibagh Ganpati is located around the shops. Tulsibagh Ganpati was established in 1915 at Tulsibagh Ram Mandir. Tulsibagh Ganpati Mandal is 4th honored or Chautha Manasa Ganpati in Pune. It is known for its big idol. The vigilance of the idol is so charming at the temple that no person can emerge from there without attracting towards it. Kesriwada Ganpati is the 5th respected or Patsva Manasa Ganpati in Pune. In 1893, the Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak praised the celebration of Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav in his newspaper Kesri and dedicated his efforts to launch the annual domestic festival into a large, well-organized public event. In order to inspire the common man, it is believed that he started the Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav, which was celebrated across caste and creed. There are many festive days and different festivals in the Hindu religion, but they are celebrated individually and privately. For national awakening, Tilak initiated Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav in 1894. In 1896, Ganeshotsav attained national importance. The Kesriwada retains its century-old tradition and is considered as one of the most respected Ganesh Mandals of the city. The Mandal, as a tradition, does not display decoration but emphasizes on organization of cultural events and educational programs. It attracts a large number of devotees. No article or vlog on Pune's Ganesh festival will be complete without mentioning the most historic and the most famous mandal, the Srimant Dagdushet Ganpati Mandal. The temple is popular in Maharashtra and is visited by over 100,000 pilgrims every year. The main Ganesh idol is insured for sum of $140,000. Also, the temple celebrated 125 years of its Ganpati in the year 2017.